our Whissel widget of the week. Would you like me to go first, or would you like to go first?
I thought of one. I work well under pressure.
Good.
So I think my most favorite one recently, I know during COVID, I don't know if you guys have heard of this, but a lot of people were playing the Wordle game, right? The New York Times game. So I recently just discovered that there's a whole app where there's multiple games on there. And I'm a big words person. I love word games. And so they have more than just the Wordle. So if you are nerdy like me and you love stupid little word games, the New York Times app lets you play a bunch of them for free. There's like a connections game that's particularly fun. Anyway, if you want to brush up your English skills, have a free game app, download the New York Times app. It's free.
What was your longest streak on Wordle?
I think I got up to like 112 days.
Wow.
And then of course I either cleared all my cookies or something and it was lost and I was very upset about it. More upset than I should have been, but
that's impressive.
I got over it.
I don't think I made it through a single day. I was like, is it cats? No, 5 letters. I'm like, cats.
I don't care. Yeah.
Cool. My widget this week, we actually just did a training with my team today about this, is a way to edit your videos a lot more simply. All things are in one spot. We have used Adobe Premiere for a long, long time, and it's phenomenal. And we've talked about, okay, use Adobe Premiere for your editing, use Artlist for your audio, use this for your video, use this and this and this and this and this and this. You got to kind of add everything on, which is phenomenal. It's a more powerful tool than what I'm going to talk about. But the tool that I'm talking about has captions that you can put built right in, has audio like music built right in, has B-roll built right in, makes it really, really, really easy. And it's called Descript, Descript. You can, there's a paid version. I think it's $20 a month or something like that, but you can use a free version too. You can create videos. You can create vertical videos or horizontal videos. You can edit utilizing the text. So if you go, oh, when I did that part, I talked about Descript and I wanted to delete it, you can actually find it, delete it, and It cuts out that part of the video. Is it as powerful as Adobe Premiere? No. But can it get things done a lot faster? Absolutely. And it's a great intro into video video editing as opposed to going all out with Adobe Premiere. So that being said, Descript is my Whissel widget of the week. Again, you can join us and learn more about us and learn more about you, and you want to learn more about you, about how to build your business on thewhisselway.com. That's what I got for you this week on real estate success, the Whissel Way.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.